So I think before we delve into, the myths, the misconceptions, we need to break down the basics, which is why knowing your tax status matters. I think a lot of people, well, a handful now, kind of know their tax status, but they don't know necessarily as to why it's important that they need to know. Because this does tie into your obligations as well. So if you're a tax resident, as we know, you are taxed on worldwide. However, if you formally cease your tax residency, then your tax obligations in South Africa are quite limited. So on your side, what would you say how this affects your reporting with SARS?
Well, firstly, I think the most important thing is to understand that reporting to SARS is obligatory, depending on your status,
100%.
including whether you are non-resident. SA sourced income, you've got to declare and pay tax on. For those residents, every form of income that you do not declare, and I think you just recently did an article which has been doing
Yes.
very well about under-declaring your income.
100%, yeah.
That obligation doesn't fall away essentially ever. But it does remove a very important, and if I could say, a very onerous part of your reporting if you're a non-tax resident, which is non-SA sourced income, if I could say.
Correct, yeah.
So foreign income, financial immigration, you can file a nil return, for example.
Yes.
DTA a bit different. You declare your foreign income, declare it as non-taxable. But the misconception is that just because SARS, firstly, maybe you think you've formalized your non-residency,
Yeah,
you need that notice of non-tax status letter,
correct.
or you have not. Until then you can file a nil return under financial immigration.
100%.
Under DTA, also, you need a non-tax status letter. Only then you can declare your income as non-taxable.